What up, YouTube? About to change the mac and cheese game.
Number one ingredient, always. Bacon, son. Yeah, we dice up our bacon. Because we're stupid. Cutting them onions. Nice slice technique, girl. More dicing. More dicing. Got that bacon in a sizzle. Brown sugar, honey, we candy our bacon. Patron. Oh, Frank's, oh, Red Hots. Patron and Frank's Red Hot sauce shouts like a boss. We let this chicken sit in Frank's Red Hots for about a week. Really. Chicken's all done. More a candy bacon. Dice that chicken up. We let it simmer. We're not done with you yet. I'm making that macaroni. What up, a candy bacon? What up, Frank's Red Hot sauce? Get that whip on. We got this trio of cheese. More cheese. And some more cheese. We're making a cheesy mountain up in this bitch. Conquer that cheesy mountain. Add some sour cream. Double whip technique. Fucking smart. Fucking smart. Taste test. That's what's up. Assembly time. Get up on the noodles on the base. Some Frank's Red Hot buffalo chicken added up. What up, bacon layer? More bacon. More bacon. Paper bacon, get out of here. More bacon. It's a glorious thing. More mac. On top, the cheese sauce. Look at all that cheesy goodness, player. What up? Mixing up that next level panko parsley blue cheese topping. Nice sprinkle technique, bro. We already baked it, cause we're the internet. Golden brown and crispy up all up in this.
Birthday blue cheese buffalo chicken mac and cheese hater. Next time, we eat a tire.